In this video, I will show you how the Sketch Fillet tool works. With this tool, you can create rounded corners as well as connect two segments, an arc and a segment, or two arcs with an arc of specific radius. To understand this better, I have created a few examples. You can activate the Sketch Fillet tool if you click on the Sketch Fillet icon, which can be found in the Sketch ribbon. Once I activate the tool, the Property Manager palette activates. Now I will go to this palette to specify the radius of the fillet. So I will type 3 in the radius field and press Enter. Next, I will select the two lines that I want to fillet, and notice that the fillet's name appears in the Entities to Fillet field. In addition, a preview of the fillet appears in the drawing area. At this point, I should mention that I can create fillets by selecting directly the corners instead of selecting the lines. Notice that once again the preview appears. Now, if I change the value in the radius field, then the radius of all fillets will be changed. For example, I will type 2 and press Enter. Notice that every fillet's radius has now become 2. I will restore the fillet radius to 3, and I will select the fillet tool which can be seen in the Entities to Fillet field and press Delete. Since I want the two fillets to have different radiuses, I will click on the check mark of the Property Manager palette to create the first fillet. The tool does not deactivate, and I can continue creating fillets. So I will type the number 2 in the radius field of the Property Manager palette and I will press Enter. Then I will click on the right upper corner of the shape, and when the preview appears, I will right-click to create this fillet too. Again, the tool does not deactivate, and I will go to the second example to create another fillet. Without changing the radius, I will select the lines and notice that the preview appeared automatically. I will right-click to create the fillet and move on to the next example. Without changing the value of the radius, I will click to fillet the two lines on the right. I will click on the point where the two lines intersect, and then I will right-click to create the fillet. As you can see, the lines do not need to be perpendicular. In case I want the fillet radius to appear even after I create the fillets and deactivate the tool, I have to activate the Dimension Each Fillet option. Now I will press Escape to deactivate the tool. At this point, the tool has been deactivated, but the radiuses are visible in the drawing area. I can double-click in any of them and change it. So that was how you create rounded corners in Solidworks. I suggest that you try and create your own rounded corners in order to become more familiar with the tool.